Good afternoon. Today's April 10th, and as our update today, we have done 14 COVID-19 tests, one positive, and that person is fully recovered. We have 12 negative tests, and we have one pending test. So we still have plenty of test kits available, and we have sufficient testing capability for our community. And we truly believe that our social distancing and all the measures we've taken into place that have gone into effect for over the coming weeks has really helped us in slowing the spread of the virus through our community. So I want to thank everyone for continuing to do that. I would also like to continue to thank all of our businesses that are continuing to follow all of the curbside and delivery options for our community and keeping everyone safe. So thank you to everyone, and please keep that up. This next week, we do have all of our clinic staff back. We will start to ramp up our clinic business a little bit more, because what we're starting to see in our clinic is people are coming in, but they're waiting too long, and so they're coming in very ill. So if you are ill and need some attention, either through the clinic or through our ER, please call or come in as needed, especially if you are very sick. Come into our ER. Please do not wait. Like I said, we're seeing some more people in our clinic setting that are very, very sick. So I'd urge you to please call ahead and set up an appointment. And if you feel you need some attention right away, we can certainly do a telehealth visit as well. So please look for some new information coming out on our fact sheets that we are continuing to do Monday through Friday. We will probably do one tomorrow, since it is the Easter weekend and we have a weather event coming in tonight. But all through next week, Monday through Friday, look at the fact sheets. We'll update our clinic operations as needed next week. So we do have a new courier service in town, and I want to give that number out. It's 579-6117, and I believe they will do a courier service to our local businesses and deliver at least within and around White Sulphur Springs. So if a business is not offering delivery, you can utilize that courier service. So, and with me as always is Eva. And Eva, do you have some updates for our community?
I do, thank you. First, I want to talk to you about masks. I know we've kind of went the gamut with this one, but right now the recommendation is to wear a mask out in public, especially if you're going to be within 6 feet of other people and not able to have that social distance. Governor Bullock has asked us to wear those masks also. So if you do not have a mask yet and you're not sure where to obtain one, I did talk with Carol Berg, and her number is 547-4783. She said, please feel free to call her and she will work something out. She's kind of coordinating with some of the sewers in town to get these masks out. If you're in a need for one and can't afford it, they will give them to you for free. They've also asked, or some of them have asked, that maybe pay it forward to a charitable thing, give the money to somebody else too for those. So that's my first thing. Please try to wear those. We're starting to see some of the businesses wear them. The courthouse received masks today. They will wear those with social interaction as well. It's not just going to be because they're sick or something like that. This is just the new recommendation. It also protects everybody if you have that mask on. We're finding the symptoms. You can pass this COVID-19 2 days before you show symptoms. So it's a good idea. I want to talk about school lunches. So they are, I'm not sure if it's a grant now, I can't remember, but they got the summer lunch program, and what that will do is it'll provide lunches for children up to 18 free of charge. That will start on April 20th, but if you call this next week and talk to Maureen to set it up, she will get you on the list, and lunches will start being delivered to your house the following Monday. I believe that is the 20th of April, and they'll be during school days. Lunch, and then it'll be a breakfast for the next day. So I think that's a great service. That does not have to be just for free and reduced lunch kids. It can be for everybody. I personally signed up for it too, so I'm looking forward to that for our kids. Shelter in place. I know it's been a long haul. I know people are getting really tired of it. I want to talk on a personal level on this one. By you guys doing this is helping all of us out a lot. We are still learning every single day about COVID-19. And the longer we can just push it back, we are getting more supplies, so we're more prepared. We're able to troubleshoot different things, so we're more prepared. we're just able to learn more. And as I said, every day we are learning something new. Something new is coming out about what's working, what's not working, and we are all working very hard to protect our community. So please try to continue to social distance, to shelter in place, to avoid group settings. People are starting to really have a hard time with what day is it, what's going on, that kind of thing. Our elderly, we're seeing more and more of that as well. Really encourage you, and I know Rob has talked about that before too. Go ahead and please reach out to those neighbors by phone, check on them, see how they're doing. I know Meals on Wheels and that are doing a great job of getting meals out to people, but please do check on your neighbors and see if there's anything they need, their mail picked up, just a friendly voice. They're struggling just like the rest of us. That's what I have for today. Thank you.
Thanks, Eva, and those are all great points. When we look at connecting with someone, especially over this Easter weekend, FaceTime some friends, some family, make a Zoom session, get some people connected together, and try and interact over some of the audio-visual tools that we have available to us today. And I would like to urge everyone, looks like we have a weather event coming this weekend, so stay safe. Continue to do the sheltering in place orders that we have. Looks like we have another 2 weeks of that at this point in time, and it really is helping. So I urge everyone to stay in town, use our local businesses, all their curbside services and the delivery options that are available, and please stay at home. It's really helping us a lot, and please do not travel out of town and stay home. Those are really the biggest things that are helping us. We're winning this fight right now in our community, and I want to continue that progress. So stay safe, have a great Easter weekend, and we'll talk to you if we have some more community outbreak, or if there's some community spread, we'll start doing videos again, or if there's some needed information that needs to come out. So have a great Easter weekend. We'll see you soon.